So welcome again to our second lecture of video recording. I think today we are going to use the existing project to make some edits. Yeah, previously we stopped on this project. I think you can see it and you can check on the YouTube channel. I've already uploaded this project. So welcome to this recording. We already have that one. I want us to build on this project. We see how we can use different properties in Camtasia to make changes. Yeah, Camtasia also has got layers, like how other other graphic softwares have got layers. Like we have tracker 1, tracker 2, and others, tracker 4, as you can see. So assume maybe we want to use some of these properties, like we want to use annotations. For example, this video, when you play it, nothing comes to show you about recording, what you're talking about. But maybe if I want to bring something and introduce, like maybe I want to put an annotation here, and I say this is the very first lecture, I come and drag this any of these ones, I come and drop it here, then I can come here and edit it. Yeah, I can come here and edit this. Yeah, these ABCs, you can delete them and you write anything. Maybe I can say video recording lecture 2. Video recording lecture 2. Maybe this is my video recording lecture 2. So I can make very many changes on this shape. I can come and maybe I can extend it like this manually, or I can use the other tools on the right to make sure that everything is on the same line. I can expand or I can reduce it. So if it is recorded like this, then I can select this shape. I come and do changes. Maybe I want to change the style, how those letters are, how this icon is appearing. I can increase it, or I can reduce the text in it, or I can make it fit a bit, depending on anything that you want to come up with. Then once that one is done, I can click on this icon here. Then I can change the opacity. I think the color tries to reduce. That is the opacity. Then you can do the scaling in and the scaling out also. How do you want it to appear? But I can take it back to the normal opacity, whereby my red can be seen very well. Yeah, you can take it back at its normal opacity. So once that one is done, I can also come back on annotations. Maybe I want to make changes on the shape. Then I come and put it to normal here. Then I go to shapes. You can choose which shape do you want to use. Do you want to use this one? You want this one? Or sometimes you can put this video recording lecture 2 into a rectangle. You come and select this. Or else I can also change the color. I can change the color where that icon, the color in which I want that icon to appear. You can put it in complete black. Yeah, I can put it in complete black, and then I come here and change the opacity. I make it really something which is black as solid. So once I'm done with that one, I can go ahead and add other changes. For example, maybe when you are recording your video, you make a mistake. In most cases, there are some things when you're doing news editing, like people who are working in news centers. You don't record and report every news. Maybe you have made a mistake and you'd wish to remove that news where the mistake is. Maybe, you know, something which is against the security of the nation. Maybe you want to cut it out. How do you cut it out? Like if I'm playing, I will play my video. Let me first play. So welcome to this recording. And today I want us to get ourselves used on how we can use Camtasia. Yeah, there's a video recording software called Camtasia. I think you can see this icon here on my computer. So if you want to use Camtasia, you just need to install this Camtasia software on your machine. So having installed Camtasia on your machine, you just need to... So maybe after this point there is something which happened. There is a mistake here. How do I remove that mistake? I can come and click here like this. You come and put this this thing is movable, this color line. You can come and put it here, the item you want to remove. You click there, then you come and point at this thing. It is saying split. I can split here like this. Then maybe you don't want this part. Also, if you have splitted up, you can also split down. Sorry, Ctrl Z. You can Ctrl Z. You can also select down, then you again click split, meaning that these two layers. So I think you see that these two layers, we have split them and we have removed them from our video. Yes, I think you see what I'm talking about. Let me first play now. We are doing what we call video editing. So welcome to I want to see how the change will come out. To get ourselves used on how we can use Camtasia. Yeah, there is a video recording software called Camtasia. On your machine, you just need to open it. You double click to open, or you right click, you go to open. So when you open Camtasia, your computer is going to open like this. So I think you can see. Now maybe I want to remove this part. You again come and I want to remove this part. Maybe it is the unwanted news. I just come and select up, also select down, then I come on cut. I've already cut down, then I also cut up. I select there, then I come on cut. I can be able to remove this part of the news. Maybe this part of the news is not required. I just come and right click. After right clicking, then I delete. Then I can also right click this and I be able also to delete it. So once I've deleted them, let me see how I want to connect back this one to this video. Remember, I've removed some part of the news. I've removed some part of the news. So you want to see which effect we shall get. Then I come and play. So when you open Camtasia, your computer is going to open like this. Then you just come and open project, so you can look at. So I think you have noticed there is some change. There's something which was supposed to be there that we have deleted out, and it has gone. So once that one is done, what we can do else, we can import. Maybe we want to add some image, like here where we have removed that part of the news. Maybe we want to add there an image. How do we bring that one? You come on file, you click on file. Then we go to import. Want to import something from outside the project. Then you come to media. When we click on media, there are different images. Maybe I would wish to use this one. You come and select it. Then you click on open. When you click on open, to be able to open. So what I will do, I come and import my image here, and I can put this mouse cursor, the cursor there, then you just drag. You drag and press it where you want it to be. I come and put it on this tracker here, tracker number 3. Then you can make it a bit large. I can make it a bit large. Also, you can change its opacity if you want it not to become too. You can change its opacity also. Let me first play and we see the effects. So it is reflecting like that because the opacity is in 0. Let me first put it back. So you can come and again increase on the opacity. When you increase on the opacity, you can be able to see that woman very well. Then we can make our woman a bit large so that when people are seeing her, they can see a beautiful woman. You can add, you can right click, then you say scale to fit. Then the woman, our woman will fit very well. You can reduce on the opacity like this, anywhere, anything you feel like. Then you can bring back here and you play. When you play there, it is something like you have gotten a break. Or you can again drag this one back. Also drag this one back so that it can keep on playing as you are seeing your girl. This. Then you just come and open project, so you can look at projects. But as of now, I need us to go to new project. I'm already running camtasia, I don't want to click here. So I want us to stop here for this recording. We shall meet in another recording. Thank you so much for attending. Let's meet in another class. I don't want to keep these videos so long so that people can be able to understand.